Hello my loves, I am back with another makeup tutorial, and I do have a shirt. It's down here. It's an off-the-shoulder shirt, which is such a pain in the ass to wear. Who else agrees? It's like no matter what you do, these bitches just like to go up. That's pretty much it. I have a new makeup tutorial and it's starting to get dark. I don't know what's going on. So I better make this quick. I use more of the ColourPop shadows and I did like this yellowy orange type of look. Very springy, summery, very, with the way I'm feeling with the shirt, it's very Chiquita banana. I really don't even have much to say. I just hope you guys enjoy this tutorial, and if you want to know how to beat your face like Chiquita banana, then go ahead and just keep on watching. So we are going to start off with an already done base, and we're gonna work right straight into eyes, which I'm super excited about. So I wore a similar look like this prior and like people loved it, so I was like, I gotta share with my girls. First thing I'm gonna be pulling out is my Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette. The first shade I'm actually going to be taking is the Eden shade right here. And I'm going to take the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow brush. I'm going to put that right into my crease. Right back into that palette, I'm going to take the color Saturn with my MAC 217 brush. I'm not sure what they're calling it nowadays. To me, it's still a MAC 217 brush. It's like a dome brush. MAC 217S, 217, they tried it. I don't know, whatever. I'm just gonna place that right into the crease as well to deepen it up. In with that other brush that I was using in the beginning, and I'm gonna go back in and blend it together. The other side of the brush, because this is a dual-ended brush, I'm going to take the flatter side, which I actually like this side, guys, for packing on like eyeshadow. I know some people, they were complaining that it kind of sucks, but I actually like it. It's okay, especially like when you get into the bottom lash line with it. I'm just going to take the same shadows that I placed right into my crease, right at the bottom lash line. Now bring this as low as you possibly want. It's totally up to you and what you feel comfortable with. I like my shadows a little lower because I have weird bottom lids and I have lines, so I like to cover that up. And also I have the space for it because my face is like huge, okay? But if you don't feel comfortable with putting this on the bottom, you can take like a little eyeliner brush, like a very thin brush, really thin and flat, and just dab it onto your lash line, or you can just skip it and just put eyeliner if that's something that you prefer. So for my lid, I'm going in with the shade Sidekick by ColourPop, which is this pretty, almost like pinky bronze color. What's crazy, this kind of reminds me of what is it? I think it was called Pink Bronze Pigment by MAC. Oh my god, guys, that is so like such an older color, but they had discontinued it. I mean, well, now that it's on my hand, it looks a little bit more yellow, but it does have like that reflex of pink in it, which is really pretty. That's super different. So I'm excited to try this. Oh, I hope it comes out right. If not, I'm gonna have to fix it. So I'm just gonna go in with my finger. Consider now that I have these short ratchet nails, it'll work better. just going to place that, oh yes girl, right on my lip. Oh, I like it. Gotta take my pinky because a bitch's finger is like sausage. Take the other side of that Anastasia brush again and see if I could just blend this out just a tad bit. Yes, this brush works amazing actually. See? Okay, Anastasia. Uh-oh, nose drips. I really actually like it with the Anastasia brush. It's packing it on really nicely. Let's try with just the brush. Oh yeah. Oh my god, please don't ever lose this brush. I wonder if she has it to buy, like, buy it single. I actually really like this look. This is a little bit different than what I'm usually doing. I mean, I don't mind color, but like, this is like different. It's different. It's different. Okay, so then for my inner corner highlight, I'm going to take the eyeshadow from ColourPop as well, and it's in the shade I Like You. It's another unique color, and I think it's so pretty. I feel like this would tie the whole look together. It's another yellow looking eyeshadow, but it has like pink, magenta, and maybe like lilac lavenderish type of reflex in there. My loves, so now that our eyeshadows are done, I'm just going to place eyelashes. I'm not going to do any liner. I feel like it's going to like kind of dingy it down, and I don't want that. I want that bright kind of like tropical feel to my look. But I'm going to be taking my Fame lashes in the style, this says Riches, but I have a feeling these are chandeliers. But I mean, either or are beautiful lashes. These are so dope, guys. If you are interested in mink lashes but don't want to pay like an arm and a leg for them, definitely check them out. They're very similar to like the Lily Galici lashes, but like half off. And I also have a coupon code as well if you want to check them out. To finish off the face, I'm going to take my Heat Wave highlighter by Estee Lauder, which looks like this, and a MAC 137 brush, which a lot of other brands have brushes like this. It's just a flimsy brush. It's actually not even my favorite, but it's the only like highlighting brush that I have clean right now. I don't know what's going on with my life. So I'm just going to place that right there. Okay, so then for blush, I'm actually going to go back into the ColourPop, I think it's called Just Do It, highlighting and blush duo. But like I said before, that blush, that highlighter seems a little too, like way too dark for me, I feel like. Let's see. Maybe not. It's more of a peachy highlighter, but that ain't it, sis, for me. So I'm just gonna mix the two like I did the last time. So now I'm just going to take a little bit of powder just to clean up under here. Just un poquito. And I'm using the Too Faced Peach Perfect powder. So moving on to lips, we are taking MAC's Pro Longwear Lip Pencil in Double Time, and mine's a small one because it's struggle. It's a struggle out here, okay? I use it all the time. For my lips, I'm going to be using a lipstick from the ColourPop collection. Actually, it's not, I don't know if it's from the collection or it's just a ColourPop lipstick, but this is in the shade Boy, and I'm super excited. Okay, uber excited to try this lipstick out because I've been having it forever, and like I just want to see if I can stop buying like expensive ass lipsticks. Who am I kidding? Come on. Ooh, okay. Well, thank God I put a lip liner on it because this is a little pasty. It is warm in my apartment, so it is a little soft. However, it is nice and creamy. Then I'm gonna top off this combo with a 24 karat lip gloss by Bare Minerals. However, guys, this is this is supposed to be a clear gloss with like gold flakes in it, but mine looks like a nude because clearly I use it and I love it. So I pretty much have like my own custom-made nude gloss. Ooh. Okay, okay. Off that excess powder, off my face. It's hot, guys. It's hot. Oh. I'm just gonna go ahead and set my face with some Urban Decay All Nighter spray to make it last all night. I feel like I needed that. I feel that went all the way more in my hair though. Oh. So refreshing on this hot day. Okay, my loves, so this is the finished makeup look, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it was super easy for you guys. If you guys try this look out, definitely let me know down below, or tag your girl at HelloJessenia on Instagram or Twitter with a picture, because I am dying to see your recreation. And that is all. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and follow me on Instagram, and I don't know, be my friend. And that is all, my loves. Again, thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.